Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove your Zoom profile picture on all devices. So on your phone it is not done in the app at all, so you want to leave the app and head over to a browser, and the website you want to go to is zoom.us here. And then once you're on the website, you want to click on the three dots and then click on sign in. And then once you're here, you want to sign into your account. I just used my Google. And then once you're signed in, you want to click on the three dots again. And you want to scroll down and click on My Profile. And then once you're on My Profile, you want to scroll down again, and you will see your profile picture right here. And then just to delete it, you click on Delete, yes. And then it will reload and show you that it is a blank profile picture. And that's how simple it is. I really hope I was able to help you today. If I was, be sure to like the video, and for more Zoom tutorials and other tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.